Hi and welcome to a quick tutorial video on supporting certificate signing request when login to FortiWeb administrator interface using client certificates. The purpose of a CSR certificate is to enable administrators to securely access the FortiWeb GUI via HTTPS. FortiWeb uses admin local certificates to secure HTTPS connections when administrators access the FortiWeb GUI. When you open the FortiWeb interface in your browser, FortiWeb presents this certificate to prove its identity. This helps your browser trust the connection and ensures all communication between the browser and FortiWeb is encrypted, keeping your session safe from unauthorized access or data interception. Here are some important points to keep in mind when configuring Certificate Authority Certificates or CA certificates for HTTPS connections to the FortiWeb GUI. Starting with FortiWeb version 7.6.1, you can now generate an admin local CSR, which stands for Certificate Signing Request, directly in FortiWeb. Once the CSR is created, you have two options to obtain a CA signed certificate. You can submit the CSR file to a CA for signing, then upload the signed certificate back to FortiWeb. Or you can use FortiWeb to automatically submit the CSR to an SCP server via HTTP. The CA will validate and sign the certificate for you. For file-based CA generation, follow these steps. Generate a CSR on FortiWeb, download the certificate, have the CSR signed by a CA authority, import the signed certificate back into FortiWeb, and verify by accessing the FortiWeb GUI as an administrator. To generate a CSR on FortiWeb, navigate to System, Admin Certificates, and click Generate. Enter a certificate name. Select Domain Name as the ID type and provide the domain name. Optionally, enter the organization unit name if needed. Choose the key type, key size, and digest algorithm, then click OK. To download the certificate, go to System, Admin Certificates, and click Download. The signing step takes place outside of FortiWeb, and how to do this depends on the CA authority you have selected. In this example, we use OpenSSL to sign the CSR. Run the OpenSSL x509 req command, replacing file_base.csr with the downloaded CSR file and file_base.crt with the desired name for the signed certificate. Ensure the CA certificate, CACRT, and private key, CA key, are in the same directory as the CSR. To import the CSR, go to Admin Cert Local, click Import, select Local Certificate as the type, upload the CRT file, and click OK. To verify that the CSR is working, log into FortiWeb, click the URL section of the GUI, and view the certificate details. Then, go to System, Admin Settings. Select the HTTPS server certificate you just created and click Apply. For simple certificate enrollment protocol, or SCEP certificate authority generation, create a CSR on FortiWeb by including the CA server URL and the challenge password. Afterwards, FortiWeb will automatically retrieve the CA certificate from the specified SCP server. To generate a SCP-based CSR on FortiWeb, navigate to System, Admin Certificates, and click Generate. Enter a certificate name. Select Domain Name as the ID type and provide the domain name. Optionally, enter the OU name if needed. Choose the key type, key size, and digest algorithm, and on the enrollment method select Online SCP and enter CA server URL and the challenge password and click OK. To verify that the certificate was generated successfully, navigate to System, Admin Certificates, locate your uploaded certificate, and view its details. Thank you for watching.